Dear students, welcome you back to this world of e-learning once again. Dear students, welcome you back to this world of e-learning and online study. We are once again restricted from our free movement, from attending college and getting the regular study in the classrooms. Once again, like the last year, we are compelled to stay at home and to continue our study, to continue teaching and learning process from home itself. And unfortunately, when you left us, it was done all of a sudden because the district administration instructed the closure of all the schools and colleges and hostels. So all of a sudden you were asked to leave, and we did not get a last minute chance to have a talk with you, and that is why we are here to establish the online link once again with you. As for the first year students, since your first year examination is postponed and there is no certainty about it, we are continuing your second year classes. So from tomorrow you will have your regular online classes, and by this evening you will get your schedule, your routine for the same. As for the second year students, the outgoing second year students, you have to be in touch with us. We are not giving you any kind of definite routine or any definite teaching, any class, any lecture on any topic. No, you people, the way you are continuing your study while you were in college, you just carry on the same thing. Whatever difficulties you face, any kind of doubt that you may have, you just don't hesitate to approach us. Approach the teacher concerned and get your doubts cleared. And since the new government is going to announce, or even the present government on 5th, we are expecting the announcement of the new date for examination. Perhaps from 13th examination is not going to take place, but whatever it is, second year final examination will definitely take place today or tomorrow, sooner or later it will be there. So you people will have to continue your study and be in touch with your teachers, and we have reactivated our WhatsApp groups, and we have updated them. If any one of you still has not found himself in the group, they may request us to add you, because so far as we know, we have already added all of you. If anyone is missing, just let us know, we will add you. And for the new second year classes, tomorrow will be the first class. You will get your routine, and you will get every day we will have 2 subjects. From 10 to 12 the first period will be there, and then from 1 to 3 p.m. there will be another class. So you will have to study your things properly. You have to make your copies and books ready with you. Whatever the teacher provides, you have to do them. The homework you have to do seriously and sincerely, and then the way the teacher asks you, you have to submit your answers in the group itself or individually to the teacher as per the teacher's instruction. Be very, very active and sincere. Respond to the teacher. In case of any difficulty, you talk to your concerned teacher. You can talk to the academic in charge or even to me, and we will soon talk to your parents also, and we will talk to them and make them involved with us. And our best wishes to you. Take care of your health, take care of yourself, and restrict your movement, stay at home and stay safe. All the best. Thank you. And remember, this is especially for the outgoing second year students, that as of now your examinations that is scheduled to start on 13th, the first day you have English, that is still there. There is no change in this routine yet. There is no announcement about its postponement. So consider your examination to be going to commence on the same date as it was announced earlier, because still there is no announcement about its postponement or anything. If on 5th the government makes any new decision, they announce anything new, anything new, we will proceed accordingly. But so far as the present information is concerned, as of today, there is no change in the schedule. So just consider 13th to be the first day of your exam and continue your study accordingly. Don't waste your time, don't lose heart, don't feel nervous, don't feel bad, just have confidence. There must be something good in it, and you people have worked hard. Recently you have progressed a lot. We have seen a huge change in the academic performance of you people. So I am sure that if you just have patience for a few days, if you stick to your study without any kind of relaxation, if you don't feel nervous, if you don't let yourself down, then definitely once the exam will be held, you will be able to perform really well and will be able to come out with flying colors. Our best wishes to you all. We are always with you. For any kind of difficulty, for any kind of help, just feel free to talk to us, and wishing to meet you soon. All the best wishes to you. Thank you.